Are you filming?
Did you see my finger go?
How am I supposed to know your finger means go? Hey guys, it's Brittany. We're in a different location. We're in my friend's car. Hi Nicole, she's also our cameraman. Shout out to her.
Hey.
So, we're doing something a little different today. This is a video I've been wanting to film for a while, and we're just gonna go thrifting and shop around, and at the end of this, I'm gonna give you a haul, so stay to the end for that. And today, we're just at Goodwill, and we're gonna do some shopping.
Goodwill, keep popping tags. Ends with the Macklemore song.
Okay, end it. We haven't even walked in yet. Look at this Nike jacket. $12.99. Let's go in.
Okay.
Can you walk around to the other side and get some shots of me? Like, this isn't too bad. It's gonna depend how it looks on me. You have to pretend you're in a really expensive store. You can't think that you're in a Goodwill. You have to be like, would, I don't know, Chrissy Teigen wear this? Probably not, but you get the point. It's like ugly, but I also am really into it. It's all gonna depend on the try on, you know?
It's like so ugly that it's actually cute.
Yeah. Get a shot of the basket. We've made it to the boys' shirt section because you'll find some good stuff here. I found this Drexel shirt, simple plain, but like either cut or tied up. That's gonna look so cute, and this is only $1.99. Bet you Drexel sold this for like 20 bucks. Bet. Is Fear the marching band?
Oh Jesus!
Like Angry Birds, like
Ghetto style.
People, you really got to deep dive. So to me, these look like mom jeans because they're like wider in the ankle and they'll probably roll up really cute. But the only true test to know if you have good mom jeans from Goodwill, and with any jeans really, is you need to try them on. If you don't try them on, then you're just being very risky. That's crazy. You need to try everything on. And then wash it after, please. That's crazy. Like, I'm not a fan of the Phillies, but like, these are expensive. Like, come on guys, deep dive. Deep dive. GoFundMe/help Courtney. We're in the bra section.
What?
We're in the bra section.
Wow.
Fancy.
They look like an actual bear.
Don't be afraid, guys. Try stuff on. Just a little.
Wait, ready? Let me put the hood up.
Like, where'd you go? So this is the first outfit. I picked up these green overalls, and they're like a little baggy, but in a really good way. And this is the Drexel top that I found. I really like the top. Simple, cute. I'll probably cut it, and that'll make it even cuter. But I don't know, I'm just not sure about these green pants. Like, I like them, but I just don't know. Okay, so the jacket that we saw hanging up from outside, I'm about to try it on for the first time. So let's see how it is. It's an XL.
Is it big on the sleeves?
A little long.
It's like really big on you.
It's like massive. It's probably an XL lengthwise. I think if this was like a size medium or large, then it would totally work. Or if I like cut this whole bottom half off, because like, see, look, I do this, super cute, right?
No. What?
I'm gonna put that in slow motion. Okay. So I know this isn't like the ideal setup and I look crazy. It's actually a different day from when I went thrifting, so my hair is a little all over the place and it's a little bit of a mess, but I wanted to give a haul. I only bought 3 things, but I wanted to show you guys them because I said at the beginning of the video I would, so here I am doing it. So fun. Who am I? It's inside out. Hold on. It's this light blue and it has white and stripes. This was in the female section and it's Croft and Barrel. I'm pretty sure that's a nice brand and it's just simple and I want to tie it up for like pictures and stuff, but I think even so I could like tuck it in with a really cute pair of like jeans and wear a belt with it. And this had a green tag, so it was 50% off, and it was only $3.99, so I only paid $1.99 for it. So I got this for literally $2, like, and it's so cute and simple. I bought that Drexel tee that I was super into. It's simple and it's great. I'm gonna cut it to make it a little more fashionable, just the bottom off, because it's like a little like plain t-shirt, so I want to make it more me. And this was only $1.99 and it's Drexel. I think it's because it's a simple Drexel shirt, but like it's Drexel, like come on. And the last thing I got was, they're gonna be like, why'd you buy it? The massive Nike jacket, because it was only $12, was it? Let me find the tag. $12.99, so I paid $13 for it. And it's really simple. You guys have seen it in the clips. I don't really need to hold it up. It's so long, so I'm either gonna talk to my grandma and see if there's a way to shorten the zipper and make it a little less long, and if so, then I'm gonna crop the whole thing and have it come to my waist and it'll be super cute. And if not, then I can sell this for at least $10 more than it is, so I'm already gonna be making bank on it. So that is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked thrifting with me and you liked watching this video, then you should press that subscribe button down below. It would mean a heck of a lot. I like doing this video. It was a lot of fun. Next time maybe Nicole will thrift with me instead of just being my cameraman. But I will see you guys next week in another video. Bye.